Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MongoDB Atlas for data modeling, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the MongoDB Atlas website at www.mongodb.com. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your details, including your name and email address. Choose a password that meets the security requirements. Once you've completed the sign-up process, check your email for a verification link from MongoDB. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the MongoDB Atlas website and click Sign In again. Enter your newly created email address and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your MongoDB Atlas dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see an option to create a new project. Click on the Create a New Project button. Enter a name for your project and click Next. Follow the prompts to set up your cluster, selecting the appropriate cloud provider, and after configuring your cluster, wait for it to be created. Once the cluster is ready, click on it to start managing your database. From here, you can begin modeling your data using MongoDB's various tools and features. Explore the navigation options to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You are now ready to start working with MongoDB Atlas for data modeling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.